ultra-large reactor and CPE, Bumhan Mecatech is a representative company of South Korea in the field of manufacturing core equipment for plants. Since its establishment in 1964, it has grown into a globally trusted fabricator in the refining, gas, petrochemical, and LNG sectors. Based on its Changwon Plants 1 and 2, Bumhan Mecatech specializes in the production of core plant equipment, including ultra-high pressure reactors, large pressure vessels, LNG and LPG, storage and processing devices, as well as next-generation hydrogen processing HPE facilities. Since its new start as Bumhan Mecatech in 2001, Bumhan Mecatech has consistently been recognized for its technological prowess in the global market, with milestones such as the delivery of the largest 1/500-ton tower in 2006, obtaining the Chevron Lummus Global Reactor Fabricator license in 2010, the world's first FLNG initial delivery in 2013, and participation in the Sabine Pass LNG project in the USA from 2014 onwards. It has further solidified its position in the international market by consecutively executing global ultra-large EPC projects such as Arctic LNG 2, Yamal LNG, and Bechtel CBNI LNG. Bumhan Mecatech's greatest competitive advantage is its world-class capability in manufacturing ultra-large pressure vessels. With a maximum 3,500-ton jack-up handling system, a production infrastructure capable of transporting up to 3,000 tons, measuring 30 meters by 150 meters, and the best-in-class plate bending, forging, and welding technologies in the country, Bumhan Mecatech demonstrates its overwhelming manufacturing capabilities. Additionally, long-term vendor partnerships with major global EPCs such as Shell, Chevron, Axens, UOP, Haldor Topsoe, Bechtel, and Technip are a testament to decades of trust and proven competitiveness. The one-stop manufacturing system, which performs the entire process from design to processing, welding, NDE, and shipment in-house, is another differentiated strength of Bumhan Mecatech. Changwon Plant 1 is Bumhan Mecatech core production base, built on an area of over 200,000 square meters. It is equipped with large product handling for 3,500-ton capacity, 900 heat treatment, an ultra-large painting facility of 80 meters in length, and the largest X-ray and gamma NDE facilities in its class, securing ultra-large manufacturing capabilities that can handle plate, bending up to 300T and forming up to 350T. Bumhan Mecatech complies with all major design codes worldwide, including ASME, API, PED, EN, and AD 2000. All technical verifications, including 2D, 3D design, thermal design, static and dynamic analysis, CFD, creep, and fatigue assessments are carried out with in-house engineering capabilities. It possesses complete engineering capabilities to design and produce the entire range of large CPE products, including reactors, towers, columns, heat exchangers, and steam drums. From the 1970s to the present, Bumhan Mecatech has successfully executed hundreds of refining gas, petrochemical, and LNG projects worldwide. Qatar Pearl, Sabine Pass LNG, Yamal LNG, Arctic LNG 2, and from large oil refineries in the Middle East, Europe, and Asia. The name of Bumhan Mecatech is remembered with high trust in the global field. From the production of ultra-large reactors and CPE to the core equipment of the refining gas, hydrogen, and LNG industries, with technology trusted by the world, Bumhan Mecatech, the #1 manufacturer of small, medium, and large pressure vessels representing South Korea, will continue to move forward with the world at the center of the global plant industry.